Hello, my name is Julie. I am the creator of Treasures Made from Yarn, and in this video I am going to show you how to make this cute little coaster. So to make this coaster, I'm going to use a size G hook and some worsted weight yarn. I'm going to start out by making a magic ring, and I'm going to make and do 6 single crochets in this magic ring. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm going to pull that ring shut, and for the next round I'm going to work in continuous rounds and do 2 single crochet in each stitch. So that's 1, 2, going to mark the first one so I know when my round will end. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So we're back at our beginning of the round, and we're going to start our next round, which will be a row of double crochets. So we're going to slip stitch, chain 3, which will count as a double crochet. So that counts as the first double crochet. We're going to do 2 double crochets in the next stitch. So that's 1 and 2. We're going to do 1 in the next one, 2 double crochets in the next stitch. We're going to repeat this around. So that's 1 in the next stitch, and 2 in the next one. All right, so we are at the end of our round. 1, 2, and then we're going to slip stitch with the chain 3 or chain 1, and we're going to chain 1, and then we're going to do a single crochet on top of the chain 3 from the previous round, and in the next stitch and do 2 in the next stitch. So that is 1 single crochet in the next 2 and 2 in the next one, and we're going to repeat this around. Okay, we are at the end of the round. We're going to slip stitch into the stitch to join our round, and now we're going to do our special V-stitch border, which is this is one of my favorite edgings for this. So it's made by doing a double crochet, chain 3, a double crochet on top of the chain just made, and a double crochet back to the base. So to start out this special edging, we're going to chain 7. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are going to do a double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook, and do a double crochet at the base of our chain 7. Skip 1, do a double crochet chain 3, do a double crochet on top of the double crochet just made, and do a double crochet at the base of that double crochet just made. And there you have a special kind of a V-stitch with a chain 3 topper. Not sure what to call this stitch, but it's my favorite edging. So show again, skip 1, do a double crochet, chain 3, double crochet on top of the double crochet we just made, do a double crochet finally at the base, finish that kind of a, I guess we'll call a V-stitch with a triangle top, and repeat this around. I'll show you one more time. We skip 1, do a double crochet, chain 3, double crochet on top of that, top of the double crochet, and do a double crochet back down at the base. And we're going to repeat this around. Okay, we have reached the end of our round. So what we're going to finish it off, we're just going to slip stitch it into our chain 3 and finish this off. There you have it. If you like this tutorial on this coaster, please like it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.